If you want to learn how to upscale an image in OpenArt, this tutorial is going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're improving a low-resolution photo, sharpening a product image, or making artwork look more detailed and polished, OpenArt gives you a simple way to increase image quality in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the OpenArt homepage and look at the top menu. Hover over the image button so you can see the available image tools. From there, choose Image Upscale. This will open the dedicated upscaling tool, which is where you will enhance your image before downloading the final result. Next, you'll need to upload the image you want to improve. Click the upload option and select your file from your storage device. OpenArt supports the image you choose, so you can work with the photo, design, or artwork that needs higher resolution. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see the upscale settings on the screen. This is where you can choose between precise, generative, and creative. If you want to keep the image as close to the original as possible, precise is usually the best option. If you want OpenArt to add more detail naturally, generative can be a great middle ground in. And if you want a more artistic or enhanced finish, creative gives the system more freedom to refine the image. After that, set your upscale factor. This controls how much bigger and sharper your image will become. So choose the level that fits your project. If you only need a small quality boost, go with a lower factor. If you need a more dramatic improvement for a large display or print, use a higher factor. Take a moment to review your settings before moving on, because this step determines the final look and quality of the output. Once everything is set, hit Generate. OpenArt will process your image and create the upscaled version for you. Depending on the image and the settings you selected, this may take a few moments, but once it's done, you'll be able to preview the enhanced result and download it for use. And that's it. You've now learned how to upscale an image in OpenArt quickly and easily. This is a really useful workflow if you want cleaner visuals, better detail, or a more professional looking image without starting from scratch. If this video helped you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.